Hello, 我是 Chris. Now Friday means that you have to do single passage. We are doing this in a week, 5 videos in a week. Mondays to Fridays, we have reading, part 6, which is closed passage. Closed passage is filling in the blanks, grammatical blanks, vocabulary blanks. And then on Friday, we'll just sum this five passages, 5 short little paragraphs up into an article. Then that will be practicing our single passage. Alright, so double passage is just the lengthened edition of the single passage. On Monday, it says server maintenance from this date to this time at this address. Engineers, they're going to do this thing. On Tuesday, they did a progress checklist. What did they do? They rewired the cable. Yes, they threw away the old cable. They run through a system check. Yes, they did. And then on Wednesday, it goes on, right? They did another routine maintenance, no pending repairs required, but then they have suggestions and recommendations. On Thursday, they say overheating issue thoroughly diagnosed, and the result is caused by the vent positioning. So something wrong with the vent positioning, causing little airflow around the machine, which causes the overheating problem. Then today we have 4 different words. Number 1, original 原本的. Number 2, affix 粘上 affix 就是粘上去哦。Number 3, machine 机器。Number 4, mounted 也是镶上去的。那个钻石镶在那个戒指上 ，mounted on the ring. The diamond was mounted， 镶上去。那你说 Chris 两个 affix 跟 mounted 很近啊，都是动词。我刚才也想了2秒钟哦。哇，你可以从句子的开场来决定。假设有人敲门，我就跟他说 come in， 那个叫原形动词开头叫祈使句 ，right？ So when 你有这种原形动词开头的时候叫祈使句，你应该要把它放在句子的开场才对哦。Recommendation 它的建议，空格 one extra fan， 空格一个多一个风扇。To the currently 空格，on the side of the 什么东西的加名词 ，or reposition 就重新改变位置 ，vents 那个出风口。Back to the 什么 place，the 就把你答案念出来了，把它原本的位置弄回去。那把这4个单词放进去之后啊，我现在跳出了2个画面。我们在 video description 下面都会有我们整套的内容，就是1到5的，从星期1开始到星期5的句子。然后我们也会把我们最后的这个2到4个问句放在 video description， 那你就可以做单篇式的阅读测验。如果同学你有滑到手机要滑到最下面哦，否则中间很多 video YouTube 会推荐你滑到最下面就会看到我们在那边做那个分享。有一些同学就会开始打答案啦，像 Abby、Avon 他们都很棒，就把所有的答案都会打上去。然后 Wayne、Vicky 哦，好多，现在有很多新同学加入我们，很棒。那在那个 description 的地方啊，就是在 comments 之前会有一个箭头，我等一下有秀图给你看，就点下去就可以看到他们为什么会讲说答案表，假设是 ACD 好了，从哪边知道 ACD， 从哪个选择题看到，就在 description 里头。那手机版有手机版本的，我会跳2个图，也会在这个 video 最后面哦提供这一个问句，还有整篇文章给各位看，只是说怕太小，所以我就再放一次在 description， 贴心。好，你把这个练习起来，然后我们把 RED 加强。到时候整套阅读测验都可以帮忙拉分数。See in the comments， 希望你可以真的在多益考到你的目标分数。拜拜。